One of my top tips for speeding up your morning routine is to actually prepare the night before. So what I'm going to show you today is how I'm going to prepare my hair for a good night's sleep, but also for a great morning. As I prepare for going to bed, the first thing that I like to do is remove any tangles out of my hair. And after I've done that, I like to make sure to use a dry shampoo. So what a dry shampoo will do is it's going to be preventative in waking up in the morning with too much oil. So I like to just put a little bit along my parting, sometimes in through the temple, anywhere I feel like I might have oil sort of accumulate. And I tend to stick towards the front of my hair because that's really where people are going to be seeing. So once I have my dry shampoo in, again, once more, I'm just gonna brush that through. And before I apply my sleeping cap, I'm actually going to set my hair slightly. So just using my comb, I want to maintain the parting that I have in my hair, and I'm going to apply a non-marking clip. So these are nice and flat, and by applying a non-marking clip while I'm sleeping, I just want to keep them in areas that if I'm going to be resting on my side, that the clip's not going to get in my way. So right there on my face, it's not going to bother me while I'm sleeping. And then I'll do the same on the other side. So I find that my hair likes to really drop. So I like to place one right along my forehead, and then also just sort of in front of my ear. Now at the back of my head, my hair can sometimes flip up. So in addition to these clips that I have at the front, I also like to apply one clip behind my ear, and then I do the same on the other side, and that should be enough. When you're choosing a silk bonnet, what you want to be looking for is that it's actually silk. This one is silk on the outside as well as the inside, so it can be worn on either side. And why that's important is this is going to add a nice slip so that your hair is not going to be fuzzy or really out of control when you wake up. The other thing, it's adjustable so that when you're sleeping, you can make sure it's tight enough that it's not going to fall off, but that it's not too tight that you get a big band mark along your face. When it's adjustable, also when your hair gets really long or you have naturally curly hair and you like to sleep with your hair in a pineapple style, you'll have room for that as well. And I just want to make sure that all of my pieces of hair are tucked in. And because this one's nice and roomy, that's it. That's my evening routine. These are available in the link below. And when you wake up in the morning, it's going to be so easy. You may need a little bit of dry shampoo in addition to what we've already prepared our hair with, but I bet you're just going to wake up gorgeous.